Well, today's the day. Gotta have my surgery. Gotta deviate the septum, apparently. Gotta get that fixed. It is 2:15. Gotta be here at 3, so we're at the hospital here early. Starving, thirsty. Couldn't drink anything past midnight. Still starving and I'm thirsty. So this is before. My wife, Chelsea, is going to be, hey, she's going to be filming me after the fact. Might be out of it, might not be, I don't know. Stay tuned, we'll see. Gonna give me some of that truth serum. It might be scary. Might get me in trouble. I don't know. Alright, we'll come back with me after the fact. Probably be all bandaged up. Stuff up my nose, I'm sure. Up in there. Alright, hang tight. Update. I know for you all it's been about 1 second, but for me it's been about 3 hours. So some shit went down in the OR. Apparently this 30-minute surgery now is going to take 3 hours for some patient in front of me. Let's hope they're okay though. Yeah, so I don't have to be back till 5, which is 2 hours later. So we're gonna go to Big Lots, look at some stuff. So yeah, we'll come back after the surgery, maybe for real this time, but if not, we'll give you another update. Still here, waiting. I told Chelsea that she'll have to get me a dress after we get done. She better not put her finger in my butthole. I will fucking know about it. I swear to God I will. Be so pissed.
Hey man.
What up, girl?
What up? What up, homie?
I was telling them.
He's a cheap drunk.
Oh yeah. Do you remember in 2012 when the Cats won? I drank all those Bud Light Platinums.
I do, yes.
It feels like.
Yeah, a little bit better.
I don't
though.
drink much at all. That's why this hit me hard. I told the anesthesiologist, don't slam me, because I'm sensitive to medication.
They told me that too.
Yeah. So, what you get when you mix a bulldog and a shih tzu? Bullshit.
That's not a new joke.
Have you seen Dumb and Dumber?
Yeah, that's what I said. It's not a new joke.
Yeah, 1998. Girl, thank y'all.
What are you drinking?
Girl got me Diet Coke. She asked me what I wanted. And I told her at one time, when I started on diet, she was like, I want a diet. Sprite's just way too sweet. It was like, that's like 46 grams of sugar. Have you ever boiled down or watched a YouTube video of them boiling down like a Coke? Oh, that's like tar. It's like blood. So you want to know something funny, Chelsea? I was asking how my breathing did. She said, were you worried about your breathing? I said, yeah, I never had surgery. I never did this. And she said, well, how old are you? I said, well, how old do I think? How old do you think?
Well, she had access to your birthday.
I know. She's like, 43. I was like, girl. That was the other one. Tammy. I think her name was Tammy. She was like, 46. I'm like, is it the gray?
Listen.
Alright, y'all. Shit's done. It feels like I drank about 12 Bud Light Platinum. I tell you what. And I don't even know. But he took a 3-pound dead blow to my septum. And he just straightened that bitch out.
Come on.
But Chelsea's gonna have to get me dressed. I told her, don't you put your finger in my butt.
Okay, come on.
Hold on. Okay.